Hello everyone, this is Hank. Welcome to Hank's Machine Vlog. Now we arrived at the SANHE warehouse located in Shanghai City. And today I want to introduce to you a crawler excavator. Let's go and have a look. The brand of this hydraulic excavator is XCMG, one of the biggest Chinese brand for earth-moving machines. And you can see the model name is XE335G, means its operating weight is 33,500 kilograms. This bucket is really big, and its standard capacity is 1.6 cubic meters with 5 teeth. Now we come into this machine's closed cab room. Look at this luxury room. You can see here is the air conditioner and the screen and the top window and lights. The engine's brand of this excavator is ISUZU, made in Japan, and its max power is 212 kilowatts. The boom length is around 6 meters, and its max reach can come to 10 meters. Thank you for watching today's vlog. If you are interested in this excavator, please feel free to contact me. Goodbye.